Hello, welcome to this segment of Tuesday Seeds. Today we have a special segment where we're going to share with you a special assistance program that just came out, just got rolled out maybe a week or so ago for those of us who are growing and selling perishable items. So please stay tuned. All right, so recently USDA rolled out an exciting new assistance program. They're now accepting applications for marketing assistance program for specialty crop producers, which really includes such perishable products such as fruits, vegetables, flowers, and herbs. Now, according to the announcement, these assistance funds can be used for anything that supports and assists you in getting your product to market in the upcoming year. So, for example, such costs as labor, storage, packaging and labeling, and transportation. To be eligible to take advantage of this program, you must be in business at the time of application and have the intent to sell specialty crops in the calendar year of 2025. Now, here are some key items to note. Now, this program does not have a farm size requirement. So what that means is if you're an urban gardener planning to grow out of a small space, please do not self-eliminate yourself. This assistance does include you. Also, a USDA farm number is not required at the time of application on this assistance, but you will at some point be asked to obtain a farm number if selected for this assistance. So keep that in mind. Also, if you do not have certain documentation on hand at the time that you submit your application, in most cases, you will be given an opportunity to provide that information at a later date, typically up to a year from the application deadline. So, and then one thing that's very, very key to note is to really get your application and all the requested preliminary USDA forms in by the January 8th deadline. That is the key. All right, so lastly, the window for this application period is coming up very, very quickly, especially considering that we're right smack in the middle of holiday season. So that January 8th deadline is going to be upon us very, very soon. I do encourage you, if you're interested in this groundbreaking opportunity, to act quickly by contacting your local county farm service agency office. And if you want to learn more about this opportunity, please feel free to click on the link right above or obtain the link that's in this article. And until next time, be the exception.